To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
We speak of Operation Sindoor, let's put out fresh satellite imagery from Google Earth that has now been shared, and this has been the most recent pictures captured in the month of June 2025 itself. It appears to confirm that there were precision military strikes and missile strikes that happened at the Kirana Hills region in Pakistan's Sargodha district, and these images that have been analyzed and shared by Damien Simon, who is a well-known satellite imagery expert on the platform X. Let's put out, as far as when it comes to these imageries that have now been shared, the satellite images, there has been clear as far as when it comes to the impact site is also concerned, the sentry post, and this video is said to be, this image is said to be on the 15th of June 2025, where India's military targeted at least 8 Pakistani air bases with missiles and other long-range weapons in retaliation to Pakistan's attack when it comes to Indian civilians are concerned. Let's put out another image that is also concerned. This is also said to be from the month of June 29th, and it has been recorded. These imageries that has now been provided confirm a series of well-executed precision airstrikes targeting several Pakistani military facilities. And what has now been shown as far as when it comes to the aftermath is concerned, there were buildings, there were vehicles, there were other, when it comes to areas as well, which were important Pakistani military installations that had been visibly impacted. Let's get a word from Tetri as well right now, who is connected with us. Tetri, you've been following up as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, and these satellite imageries spell the truth. There have been buildings that were destroyed, there were vehicles that were destroyed, compounds that has been destroyed, that shows visible signs of damage and devastation.
Well, absolutely. In fact, it's more than 2 months and Pakistan is still not able to recover from the losses that it had to bear during Operation Sindoor. We saw that how very precise the attack was carried out from India, and that was in retaliation, in fact, because we have seen that how the Indian officials have been saying on and on that it was, in fact, first attempt was made always from the side of Pakistan. It was India who responded first attacking the terrorist bases. We saw the images of the terrorist bases, that how the terror bases in Pakistan were all destroyed, the military bases were destroyed, and now the air bases are destroyed, and it is India who is giving the proofs of the destruction, the kind of destruction that was carried out by the airstrikes, by the strikes during Operation Sindoor. And now, in fact, more and more images are coming in, and as we saw that you were also telling about how the Sargodha air base image is coming out, in fact, that is which is proving that how precise the attack was and what kind of losses Pakistan has to bear. Remember that there are many questions raised as to what kind of operation was carried out, what are the losses the Pakistan has to bear. So these images are giving are big proofs as to what kind of damage India has made to Pakistan, and Pakistan definitely will not be able to recover from these losses, because none of such images.
Well, even after 2 months, what we are looking at as far as these precision strikes that has been carried out by India, Pakistan still seems to be struggling when it comes to repair and reconstruction of those military bases. We talk about the Prime Minister here as well, as Tetri continues to be with us on what he had earlier said when it comes to putting Pakistan in the ICU as far as when it comes to these strikes on Pakistani military bases is concerned.
यहां से कुछ ही दूर सीमा पार पाकिस्तान का रहीम यार खान एयरबेस है। पता नहीं आगे कब खुलेगा। आईसीयू में पड़ा है। भारत की सेना के अचूक प्रहार ने इस एयरबेस को तहस नहस कर दिया है। साथियों, पाकिस्तान के साथ न ट्रेड होगा न टॉक। अगर बात होगी तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाले कश्मीर की, पीओके की। और अगर पाकिस्तान ने आतंकियों को एक्सपोर्ट करना जारी रखा तो उसको पाई पाई के लिए मोहताज होना होगा।
Well, Lieutenant General Chaturvedi sir is connected with us right now. Sir, as far as these imageries that is now being shared, of course, when it comes to areas, when it comes to Pakistan military bases that seem to be visibly impacted even 2 months later.
That's absolutely correct. Our airstrikes, our strike from artillery, long-range weapon system was extremely accurate, precise, and was for effect. We only hit the military targets. We did not go for any civilian targets. We wanted to give a lesson to them that what is India's capability. And that was achieved with total precision, accuracy, and effect. So what Pakistan has been trying to say that nothing happened, they continue to deny these things, but this is satellite images, need no other proof. The world can see it. They are still trying to repair them and still not been operational. It's about 2 months plus now, and that is the actual effect that the Indian Army has caused on these military targets of Pakistan.
Absolutely, sir. And Lieutenant General Chaturvedi, when we look at these pictures, sir, what do you believe that has been the kind of trail of devastation that has now been left behind because of the precision strikes that was carried out by India? Now, these imageries have been confirming that as far as Sargodha district is concerned, in the Kirana Hills area, there has been other images that have also been shared in other Pakistani military air bases that has been hit with the long-range weapons in retaliation.
That's correct. We hit with the long-range weapon system, which had the capability for precision strikes. We used not the maximum, but we used our resources to send a correct message. There is plenty what India can still do. This Kirana Hill area is an important area. We did not go for any strategic target. Our nation is very, very responsible, but they themselves have been talking. This is from Pakistan side that there have been reports coming of that type. But as far as India is concerned, we went for the nuclear. We did not go for any nuclear site. We only went for conventional military targets and caused damage to the airfield, to the air traffic control system, and their complete command and control system. These were our basic priority areas, and that's where the effect has been. It will take them time to repair and come back to its normal design.
Absolutely, sir, because these pictures that have now been shared confirms the fact that even 2 months later, Pakistan still seems to be struggling when it comes to the repair and the reconstruction work. Thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. Tejashree, this has been in the line of what the Prime Minister has also been saying, because when it comes to extensive damage that has now been visible through these satellite imagery on the runways, on the buildings as well, there has been underlying structural layers that expose, indicating that there has been long-term repair work that shall continue in Pakistan.
Well, absolutely. That's what we have been talking about, that it's been more than 2 months, Samita, and still Pakistan is not able to recover from the losses that it had to bear from during Operation Sindoor. And in fact, multiple sources have put it out on social media that how these satellite images are showing that not just one but several military bases were attacked. Not just military bases, but the terror camps of Pakistan were also destroyed. And India was very much clear, and as the defense expert was also telling about how India was since first day clear that we are not going to attack the civilians. We never attacked civilians. Our attempt to attack, our target was only and only the terror bases, those who were the perpetrators, and we wanted to teach Pakistan a lesson. Pakistan in fact retaliated and targeted on our civilians, and that is why in fact later on we targeted on their military bases. This is all what happened during Operation Sindoor 6th and 7th of May. We saw that how they were very precise attack and very precise attack that was carried out from the side of India, and that's what Prime Minister Modi has been saying, that even if talks happen, talks will happen only on POK, no talks on mediation, no, and in fact, the mediation never happened. There was never the third party intervention for the mediation.
These are not any claims that are being made multiple times. These are the facts as far as Google imagery that has been shared, satellite images that has been shared that shows long-term devastation that has been carried out by the precision strikes by our brave Indian military men. Thank you very much for the moment, Teji, for joining us here on the broadcast. Let's